Hi, welcome to our channel. If you still not have subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about our latest videos. In this video we will tell you how to animate text in a video. It's an Android app named as Legend Animate Text in a Video. With the help of that you can create animated text for a video. So let's start with the video and see how it works. Open Google Play Store on your mobile. Search for the app Legend Animate Text in a Video. Here is the app. Install this app. Accept. Let's see some of the features of this app. Animate text in a GIF or a video. Send to Messenger or Instagram. Turn text into a stunning animation. In just 2 taps, put your words in motion. How it works: write your text, select a text animation style or color, and save it. 20 amazing text animation styles. Add a photo for background. Search a photo for background. Emoji support. Save video. App is installed. Now open it. Here you can write the text. I write welcome. Click OK. Play. You can add a photo or capture a photo and add it. Here you see the animated text. Different styles are available. Here you can change the color scheme. Different styles available. Send to Messenger, share or download. Save as GIF or save as video. Saving as GIF. You can view. Save as video. Change the format: square, landscape, or 512p, 720p, or 1080p. So you see how easily you can create an animated text and save it or share it. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.